Hi students, how are you? Hope you are all fine. In our last class we discussed about the types of seasons in India. We have also discussed a few points about winter season. Today we will discuss in brief about summer season. So when the summer starts in India? In India, summer starts from March to June. Okay, from March to June we experience summer season in India. So here what happens is, why is the summer season caused? Summer season is caused due to the tilt of north pole towards sun. Okay, due to the tilt of north pole towards sun, we experience summer season in India. Yes, children. From March to June, you have summer season, and due to the tilt of the north pole towards sun, we have summer season. Then how is the summer season? The climate is very hot. Okay, high temperatures are recorded. If you consider temperatures at various places, okay, you can consider minimum 42 degrees temperature is very common. 42 degrees Celsius is very common in north part of India at the end of May. You go and the peninsular region, the peninsular part of India, okay, doesn't experience very hot climate due to the influence of sea when compared with north part. And here in north the temperature increases. Okay, in north part temperature is 42 degrees is very common during the month of May. And what happens is, in north part of India, due to the rise in temperature, low pressure develops. Okay, due to a rise in temperature, low pressure area develops from Thar desert to Chota Nagpur plateau. A low pressure belt develops. Okay, because of this high temperature, low pressure area develops in north part from Thar desert to Chota Nagpur plateau, and winds start this low pressure belts, and air starts circulating within this low pressure belt. And Lu, have you heard about the term Lu? Lu is a very common word that we listen in summer. What are Lu? They are gusty, strong, warm, hot air. Strong, gusty, hot, dry winds that blow towards north and northeast. That blow towards north and northwest part. Okay, they are called as Lu. These winds are called as Lu. They are very strong, dusty, hot and dry winds that blow towards the north part of India are known as Lu winds. And direct exposure to such winds is very dangerous. Okay, in north part of India, what happens is we experience Lu. Sometimes even during the late evenings also we have Lu. Okay, in month of May, dust storms are very common in north part of India. Okay, the northern part of India, dust storms are very common in the month of May, and they are also accompanied by showers. Okay, they are also accompanied by rainfall. So these dust storms are, when accompanied by rainfall, they bring temporary relief from the heat in north part of India. And this is also a season for local thunderstorms accompanied by rainfall. Okay, and also accompanied by hail. Okay, in West Bengal, we call these storms as Kala Baishakhi. It means calamity for the month of Baishakh. Okay, and during the end of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are very common in summer. These pre-monsoon summers in Karnataka, in Telangana and in Andhra Pradesh, these pre-monsoon showers at the end of summer, they are also known as mango showers. They are also known as mango showers. Why are they known as mango showers? Because they help in early ripening of mangoes. That's why they are also known as, these pre-monsoon showers are also known as mango showers, because they help in early ripening of the mangoes. So this is about summer season in India in brief. Thank you.